Yeah, children. So today in motion kinematics, children we will discuss about upward thrown bodies. Upward thrown bodies, upward thrown bodies. All the four equations of motion, how does they change? So, children, normally V is V only, children. U is U only. A is minus G because upward thrown bodies are going against gravity. Against gravity. That's why A is equal to minus G. And S is taken as H. S is taken as H. And at highest point, V will become zero. Children, it will go, stop, fall down. Again, I'm saying, children, again, I'm saying, if you throw anybody up, it will go, stop, then fall like a freely falling body. So at highest point, final velocity becomes zero. Okay, children? So children, what are the four equations of motion? V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to UT plus
half AT square.
AT square and
V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Ascent is equal to U by U plus A into 2n minus
1. These are the four equations of motion, children. So for the upward thrown bodies, see here all of you carefully, V is equal to U minus GT because A is minus G. This is 1. This is normal. And at highest point, what happens?
V becomes 0.
V is equal to 0. If you put 0 is equal to U minus GT, U is equal to GT, T is equal to U by G. This is called time of ascent. Children, this is called time of ascent. What is time of ascent? Time of ascent, children. Time of ascent. Time of ascent means time taken by the body to go the highest point. What is time of ascent means? Children, time taken by body to go highest point. That is called time of ascent. Time taken by body to go highest point is called time of ascent. Okay, children. So how much time it takes to go up, same time it falls down, children. Always remember, time of ascent will be equal to time of descent. Remember, if a body is taking 5 seconds to go up, it will exactly fall in 5 seconds only. It will go in 5 seconds means it will fall also in 5 seconds. Always remember, if it is going in 10 seconds, it will fall also in 10 seconds. Time of ascent and time of descent are always equal. Never forget them. Okay, please remember. So time of ascent means time taken by body to go highest point. Time taken by body to go highest point. And time of descent, if ever you remember in one of the videos I told, V is equal to root of 2h by g, that is time of descent in freely falling bodies I told. Time of ascent and time of descent are equal. So children, to go up and to come down, it is the same. So time of flight, we can say, children, that is time of flight. Time of going up is also u by g, time of coming also is u by g. So time of flight is 2u by g. What is time of flight? Time the body is remaining in the air. Suppose it is going up 5 seconds, it is coming 5 seconds. It is in the air for how many seconds, children?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 10, 5 plus 5. Suppose the body is going up 10 seconds, coming up 10 seconds. How many seconds it is in the air? 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
20, sir.
Time of flight means 2u. U by g plus u by g is 2u by g. Why u by g plus u by g? Because how much time it takes to go up, in the same time it will fall down. How much time it takes to go up, in the same time it will fall down. So time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Please do remember, children. Please do remember. Okay. Next, second equation. Okay, children. Second equation. Try to understand. Second equation. Second equation of motion is like this. Please see here. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So h is equal to ut minus, because a is minus, half gt square. And last but not least, very important, third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2x. At highest point,
V is equal to 0.
Velocity 0.
the final velocity is 0. So 0 square minus u square is equal to minus 2gh, because a is minus g, a is minus g1. So minus u square is equal to minus 2gh. Minus minus cancel. 2g will go down. H is equal to u square by 2g. This is the formula for maximum height attained by the body. What is the maximum height attained by the body? Means u square by 2g. Maximum height attained by the body. Maximum height attained by the body is given by h is equal to u square by 2g. Time of ascent is u by g. Time of flight is 2u by g. Maximum height is u square by 2g. Like that you have to do, children. And at any point of the motion, the distance traveled in a particular second is given by this formula. So h is equal to u, not plus children, minus, because against gravity, 2n minus. That's it. So among this, okay, children. So time of ascent is important, time of flight is important, maximum height is important. Maximum height attained by the body is important. All these are important formulas which we have to remember. Okay, time of ascent, time of flight, maximum height. Time of ascent, time of flight, maximum height. Time of ascent, time of flight, maximum height. So these are upward thrown bodies. Tomorrow I will say projectiles, children. Till then, once we will do 3-4 numericals based on this, so that you will have understanding. And in the description of my video, I will do so many numericals you can practice. You can practice. Okay, so once you see here, children. So today we have discussed what are the formulas we have discussed, children, today. So time of ascent is equal to u by g. Time of flight is equal to 2u by g. Maximum height attained by the body, u square by 2g. One question based on this first question. Find time of ascent, time of descent, time of flight, maximum height attained by the body if it is thrown up with velocity of, if it is thrown up with a velocity of 39.2 meters per second. So these are the questions. 4 questions have time of ascent, time of descent, time of flight, maximum. Direct substitution, students. Direct substitutions. Time of ascent is u by g. 39.2 by 9.8. 4 seconds it will take to go up. 4 seconds. If time of ascent is 4 seconds, what will be time of descent? Anyone?
4 seconds.
4
sir.
seconds.
4
4
same.
seconds. Because
4 seconds.
time of ascent and time of descent are always equal. How much time it takes to go up in the same time it will fall down? How much time it takes to go up in the same time to fall down? What is
So
the
time of flight is 8.
8. How 8? 4 plus 4. Or 2 into 39.2 by 9.8, that is 4. 8 seconds. That's all, children. 4 plus 4 is 8. Simple logic. No rocket science involved here. And maximum height attained by the body is u square by 2g. What is u, children?
39.2.
Into 39.2 by 2 into 9.8. Okay.
78.4.
78.4 meters it has gone up, children. So if I throw this pen up with this much velocity, it will go 78.4 meters up, children. If I give to this pen this much velocity, it will go 78.4 meters up in how many seconds? 4 seconds. 4 seconds. It will go there and stop and again falls down with 4 seconds only. And how much velocity I'm throwing up, children?
39.
39.2 meters per second. And with the same velocity, it will hit the ground also. How much velocity I am throwing, with the same velocity, it will hit the ground. How much velocity I am throwing up, with same velocity, it will hit the ground. Velocity while hitting the ground, one formula I gave. Anyone remember, children? V is equal to
Root 2 GH.
Root 2 GH. We will check here also, children. If you want, I will check and show you. V is equal to root into 9.8 into H is how much, children? 78. If you want, you can check, children. So 2 into 9.8 is 19.6, children. 19.6, and this is 78, or else easy method I will show, children. 2 into 9.8, and that 78.4 is 9.8 into 8, children. Okay, so children, two 9.8s are there, so 1 will come out. 2 8s are 16. What is the square root of 16, children?
4.
4. C, 39.2. With whatever velocity you throw, with the same velocity it will hit. With whatever velocity you throw, with the same velocity it will hit. With whatever velocity you throw, with the same velocity it will hit. How much time it goes up, in the same time it will fall down. How much time it goes up, in the same time it will fall down. Like that you have to do, children. Once you know the sums, children, happy, you can do enjoy, children. So much beautiful sums will be there, children, in kinematics motion. Only thing is you have to understand concept. Practically, you should imagine that what is happening in your brain, then you will understand. Okay, Shiva, those who did not understand this, one more sum like this one, please try. Find time of ascent, time of descent, maximum height again, time of flight, height after 2 seconds, velocity after 2 seconds. If G take, children, G don't take 9.8, please take 10 nano. If they mention only, you should take 10 nano. You should not take on your own. If body is thrown up with velocity of 100 meters per second, that's it.
Time of ascent is 10 seconds. Time of descent is 10 seconds.
So time of flight will be
20 seconds.
That's all. That's all. Come on. Maximum height, no one is telling. Maximum height, no one is telling. Time of ascent is children u by g. That is 100 by 10.
Maximum height is 500 meters.
500 meters. Okay. So 10 seconds. Time of ascent is 10 seconds. So time of descent also 10 seconds. You all know. Time of flight is 10 plus 10. That is 20 seconds. It will remain in the air. And maximum height attained by the body is formula is u square by 2g. Just now I told u is how much, children? 100 into 100 by 2 into 10. This is going to 500 meters. It is going up, children. 500 meters. And also I asked it. Height after 2 seconds I told. Velocity after 2 seconds I asked it. Children, it is taking 10 seconds to go up, children. 10 seconds to go. I asked in 2 seconds how much height it went up and how much velocity. So children, if you want velocity, v is equal to u plus at, first equation of motion is there. V is equal to u minus g. Okay, children, I told you in upward from bodies. V is equal to u, how much? Anyone? 100.
10.
100 into 2. So V is equal to 100 minus 20. That is after 2 seconds,
80.
its speed is 80. After 2 seconds, we have thrown with 100, it became 80. Obviously, against gravity, it will decrease, become 0 and falls down. Now, velocity after 2 seconds. Children, velocity after 2 seconds. Sorry. Height after 2 seconds. So, children, we have S is equal to ut plus half at square, second equation of motion. H is equal to ut minus half gt square. Anyone will substitute and tell me?
100 into 2 minus
100 into 2
100 into 2
minus.
minus.
You do and tell me answer. You do and tell me answer. I will see who will tell first. Boys or girls?
Sir, 180.
180?
180 meters.
180, sir.
Yeah, 180 meters it went up. Children, total is 500 meters. In 500 meters, already it covered 180 meters. In 2 seconds, it went 180 meters. In 2 seconds, it went 180 meters. Like that, you have to do, children. Like that. Hope you are able to understand. Yes, children, these are the upward thrown bodies with some numericals, children, and then I will come over with some more numericals in only separate class. I'll make you do only numericals, children, and that will assume as I said another video, and we'll put a link in for this video, children. Okay, thank you, and please practice all this formulas how I derive, how all those things because it will come for this Sunday derivation of all upward thrown bodies.